Ever wondered how to make your living room pet-friendly? Well, it's essential for pet owners to create a space that's as comfortable for our furry friends as it is for us. We'll be covering 4 easy steps to achieve this. Get ready to transform your living room into a haven for your furry friends. First things first, let's talk about your sofa. It's a centerpiece, a gathering spot, and unfortunately, a magnet for pet hair and messes. That's where a washable sofa cover comes into play. These covers are not only easy to clean, but they're also durable, standing up to claws and teeth. Plus, they're stain-resistant, saving your sofa from unexpected spills or accidents. Remember, a washable sofa cover is a game-changer when it comes to maintaining a clean, pet-friendly living room. Next up, let's make a cozy corner for your pet. A pet bed is essential, providing comfort for your furry friend and keeping your furniture fur-free. Consider size, material, and location when choosing. A comfy pet bed is a win-win for both you and your pet. Now, let's focus on food and water bowls. Ideal locations are easily accessible yet not in high-traffic areas. Opt for non-slip bowls to avoid messy spills. Properly placed food and water bowls can make a big difference in maintaining a clean and pet-friendly living room. Lastly, let's talk about cleaning. It's crucial to choose pet-friendly cleaning products. Not only are they safer for your pet's health, they're also kinder to our planet. Many traditional cleaning products can be harmful to your pet, causing skin irritations or worse if ingested. In contrast, pet-friendly cleaners use gentle, non-toxic ingredients. Plus, they're usually biodegradable, reducing pollution and waste. Remember, using pet-friendly cleaning products ensures a safe and healthy environment for your furry friends. So, there you have it. 4 simple steps to pet-proof your living room. Selecting a washable sofa cover, incorporating a cozy pet bed, setting up water and food bowls, and utilizing pet-friendly cleaning products. With these steps, you can easily create a living room that's not just stylish, but also a haven for your pet. Happy decorating!
Like, follow, and share for more tips at DS Design Labs.